There's your throttle cable. You got the stop and you got the pull. That goes into a little bracket down there. And then here's the new one I fitted. Runs through here, behind all that lot, which you don't have to remove, except I had to remove that one screw. So once you've got that, it comes in here. You can see it down there. Sort of shiny black one. It comes in under here. That's where that rubber grommet comes in. From there, twist around. So you have to remove these screws here, pop this top off, pull these cables up. Don't disconnect anything, just lift them up, because the hole this goes into is just down there. Once it goes through there, it goes into the footwell. And there you can see the grey end. So that's the cable stretching. Some people don't have that rubber grommet. It doesn't seem to matter. But anyway, this is the final bit of where we're going to end up. So rather than start at this end, remove everything and then try and guess where the route is, we're going to start at the other end and move through. You can see where that cable goes. If you pull it, once you've removed it from the bracket, if you pull it, you'll see the throttle body moves open and you can unclip that little barrel. It's only like doing your brakes on a bicycle or cable pull bicycle. So pull the cable. You might need to jam a screwdriver in there, something to stop it flicking back because it's on a spring, but that unclips and that will free up this whole throttle cable. Get that barrel back into the holder in the throttle body, pull the cable, push that into that rubber grommet. That means your new cable is fitted. The old cable will be hanging down like that. Pull the old cable out and push the new one in the same pattern holes. So I did it stage by stage. So there's the cable, you can see the black shiny bit. Goes up there, under all those pipes, under there, under that bracket. You can see it just down there shining a bit. Okay, so what I did, I just pulled the old cable out that far first of all, and so that I knew where the new one went, I then pushed the new one in, up through that hole, and there's enough room to get it in there. Next stage, pull the cable out as far as it went along here to that box there, over there by your servos, and then push the new cable in. Because of that lump there on the new cable, I couldn't get it under that bracket. I probably could if I'd tried, but I couldn't be bothered. So I undid that one screw, pulled this forward a little bit, push it through, easy as you like. So that was the cable now right the way through to here. The old cable pulled out to there, the new one here. Got to be a bit careful because this has got electrically stuff and bits and pieces. So keep the seal, just lift it up, it comes off, lift that. That's your wiring loom, I think. So lift that out, and underneath there is that little rubber grommet. So pull the old cable out and push the new one in, make sure that grommet is properly bedded into the plastic. Push this back together again, and now all that remains is your new cable needs that bit fitting and your old cable needs that removing. To get to there, you actually need to remove this case. So there's 1, 2, 3 screws, that just lifts off. Those two lift up. You don't need to do anything, disconnect anything, that's just to get you space. So you can see where this cable here goes underneath them. You need to get to where that goes through the hole. Okay, now to the inside of the car. Right, so there's your throttle pedal. Yeah, press that. All right, and oh, there's the hook. And if you look up there, that's that grey bit of plastic which we're talking about. To get to that, it's quite awkward. The tabs are the top and the bottom of it. So from the other side, get someone to pull the black cable. Just keep a bit of pressure on that. And then flathead screwdriver at the top, push it down a bit. As one tab goes, it'll move a bit. Keep the pressure so it doesn't clip back in. And then go underneath it and push the other one. Or vice versa, whatever works for you. Mine has got a nice rubber grommet. On some of the YouTube videos, that's missing. I wouldn't worry about it. When you pull the old cable out, that grommet will stay on the cable. Just take it off the old cable and put it onto a new one. Some of you guys will have plastic kick plates and all sort of BMW trim there, but I'm way too cool. I go for lightweight look, so get over it. Really not sure if I need to show you this bit, but push that through the hole until it clips, pull that, put the rubber grommet on if you've got one, and hook it onto your throttle pedal, spray it all with some GT85 to make it all nice and slicky, or other oils are available, and you've fixed your problem. The whole process of doing that took about an hour. I say, specialist tool is a screwdriver. A little bit fiddly getting that barrel bit out of the clip, but just poke it with a screwdriver fiddle, and it really does help to have some tension when you're taking the bit through the bulkhead from the pedal itself. If you can't get someone to pull it, just clamp a weight to the end of the engine side of it, and that'll put some tension under it so that it pulls it through itself. And the difference makes the car feel fast, makes it feel more performant. There's faster uptake, faster throttle drop. It just feels better. It feels like you've had an engine tune-up for the cost of a cable. Anyway, cheers, bye.